Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the heated Elite seat covers from Rugged Ridge for the 07 to 18 two-door and four-door Jeep Wrangler JK. Now these seat covers are made from the same ballistic nylon as a lot of other Rugged Ridge seat covers, and there are matching rear covers available without the heated option, of course. But like I said, what sets these apart is that the heating elements are going to be built right into the seat cover for you, giving you all the comfort of adding heated seats to your Wrangler with the convenience of being a super easy install. Now they do have a separate heating element in the bottom of the seat cover as well as in the back of the seat cover, so you're going to get nice even heat spread throughout the seat cover for you. They come with a matching headrest, so it's going to cover your complete seat, and it comes with all the wiring you need. So you can run it out underneath the hood to your battery with a fuse tap already installed, and then individual wire harnesses that run to the driver and passenger seat respectively. So we're gonna go head out into the shop, get these installed in our Wrangler. We've got our infrared thermometer, so we can tell you just how hot these seat covers get. So we got our seat covers installed in our Wrangler. It was a pretty easy job, just a matter of pulling them down over the seats, tucking them between the back and the bottom, and of course a couple straps and hooks underneath of the seat. And the wiring was a pretty easy task to take care of. Now once we got them installed, we wanted to run a couple tests just so we could see what kind of performance we can expect out of the heated seat covers. So first we started by checking the ambient temperature. We came in just under 75 degrees. Now we put them on the low setting and then let them run for about 5 minutes. When we came back, we saw a temperature on the seat bottom of about 84 degrees, so an increase of about 10 degrees. Now we went ahead and switched them up to the high setting. Again, let them sit for about 5 minutes. And when we came back, we saw a temperature of about 106 degrees Fahrenheit. So another jump there of about 20 degrees in overall temperature. Now, of course, we're inside in the shop here, so the temperature will fluctuate a little bit whether you're inside or outside and depending on the outside temperature. But overall, we're thoroughly impressed out of the performance of our new Rugged Ridge heated Elite seat covers. Now, if you want to get more information or purchase a set for your Wrangler, you can simply click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. If you have any questions or comments for us, you can leave them for us in the comments section below, or hit us up at any of the options you see on the screen in front of you. And of course, if you like today's video, you'll want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail. Sure is toasty.